Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix core web vitals of Wix website speed. So if your Wix site is loading slowly or getting core web vital scores in tools like Google Page Speed Insights, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue like slow load times, CLS and LCP on your Wix site using easy non-technical steps. So the first step is going to the search bar and typing in pagespeed.web.dev. Hit enter and you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your Wix website URL. So here, just enter your Wix website URL, note your LCP that is largest contentful paint and the CLS that is cumulative layout shift and FID that is first input delay scores. Now, after you do this, you'll have to just scroll down to view the recommendations. Now, to optimize images, you can use JPG instead of PNG when possible. You can resize images before uploading, so don't rely on Wix to scale them. You can use Wix image optimization settings by navigating to image, going to settings and choosing optimized image quality in the Wix dashboard. You can use lazy loading for images enabled by default on Wix. Now, go to Wix dashboard, navigate to apps and simply uninstall apps that you're not actively using. Avoid unnecessary hover animations and entrance effects. They increase layout shift, that is CLS. Now, if you're using custom value code, make sure it's optimized. Avoid the setout time delays and unnecessary DOM manipulations. Now, only load scripts needed for that specific page. Also, you can use only 1 to 2 font families. Avoid heavy font weights like 900 or bold italic and don't overload a single page with too many images, text boxes or shapes. So, clean the overlapping or hidden elements too. Now, ensure that your Wix Turbo is enabled by default because it will improve performance by caching and preloading content. Also consider using a lighter theme or removing parallax scrolls and video background. After applying changes, go back to Page Speed Insights, test your site again, and try testing on different pages. So, improving core web vitals boosts not just the speed, but also the SEO and user experience. Follow these steps, keep your site minimal and efficient, and you will see the difference. Subscribe for more Wix tutorials like this one. And I will see you in the next video.